Hey guys, my name's George and welcome to my drone video. Now, I'm the kind of a beginner pilot. I've only been flying for about 5 or 6 months, but something that helped me a lot was just learning from other people how to actually get this little thing operational. So stay tuned in today's video because that's exactly what we're gonna do. This little guy here, the DJI Mini3 Pro, is an awesome force of nature. But it's important that you follow FAA regulations on where you can actually fly it. You can do this by going to the DJI Fly Safe website. As you can see, we're here in Riverside Park and it is a beautiful day today. Perfect for flying, and we're in clear airspace. So as long as we operate within legal procedures, we're great. The very first thing you'll want to do is find the little joysticks on your RC remote. You'll find them in the back here, and you can pop them in on the joystick spot. Now the joysticks are operational, so I'm going to power on my device. I'll do a quick press, and press down again, and you'll hear that little beep, and the screen will come online. Now that my remote is on, I can go to connect it to the drone, so I'm just going to hit this button here. Now we're actually putting together the robot to get ready for flight. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure all the propellers are untucked from this middle section. So now you have your drone ready for the arms out. Something important to remember is the top of the drone is with the power button on it. So these ones, all they do is they snap back to the sides. And this was a rookie mistake that I made, was I would try to do the same thing on the bottom ones. However, you want to make sure all the propellers are clear and these actually flip up once it's rotated skyward. So there you go. Now your arms are assembled and you're ready to start getting ready to fly. And whatever you do, don't forget to take your gimbal cover off. Unless you plan on not flying anywhere, you kind of need a battery. So I have my DJI battery here, and so I take it to the little guy, I go barcode up, and I just insert it like that. You should hear a little snap, and now you're good to go. So you can power on. And as you can see, the remote is also active, meaning that wherever I point this drone, the camera is now synced and connected. So now you can see officially everything is synced up and I'm ready to fly. So all you want to do when you take off is find this little button and click and hold take off and you're good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and follow along for some of my adventures.